Hello and welcome. I'm going to be doing a flip through of my Rosewood Gillio Compagna, which I just got and I'm absolutely in love with it. And it is so velvety and unbelievably soft. It's not like shiny feeling or super slick feeling. Like the aubergine, like the newer aubergine, it's actually kind of more reminiscent of like the older style. So I am in love with it. And then here I wanted to show everyone this backpack I made. It's a little crochet backpack that I did, and I just wanted to come here and share that with you guys. I got this from a pattern from Vanessa_Mariah on Instagram. And I just thought it looked cute with this. So that's that. But I'm just going to go ahead and jump right on in. So this is my opening dash. And as you know, most of my stuff is going to be from the Digital Dash box because I'm in love with their products. And I also have a coupon code for them for 10% off of your first month. It's DD Love Extra Tension 10. So if you don't already have that code and you're interested in doing the monthly Digital Dash subscription, use my coupon code because I get brownie points for that. So here I mix that with Planner Society vellum and all of the rose gold stuff from the Planner Society. This was from one of those pockets, journaling cards, ollie clip. That's your fly leaf you get in there. My brother just got married a couple of weeks ago, and I did a tutorial on how to do a collage. So here is a photo collage that I did of some of the pictures. This is more of the Digital Dash. Some vellum that I got from Hobby Lobby. And then this is the cutting files from the Digital Dash, and I used Planner Society paper, but look how cute they are. They're like little keys. So freaking cute. And I just became brunette. Maybe I'll insert a picture. But I was blonde all through summer, and now I'm brunette. So I felt the need to put both the blonde girl and the brunette girl in here. Right? Here is another collage. That's my daughter on Greek Day. These are my months. This is my October. It's somewhat Halloweenish. Haven't done November yet. This was a printable from Etsy because I am an LV lover. That's from Planner Happy Cake. She gave me that little bookmark. And I'm finding it's not taking me a long time to do a setup lately because I've been doing planning for a minute. So I, pretty much recycle things now every season. So I had a lot of fall stuff that I incorporated back in here, like this L and this heart I had in last year's setup. And I'm finding I'm not having to do a whole lot of stuff. That was last week's layout. Any Plans Printables, I believe that was a collab of some sort. But this is the weekly I'm in now, which is from City Girl Planners, and I am absolutely loving it. This is the Simply Gilded last month, and this is, I love how it's vertical all on one week. It doesn't jump around, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Then Sunday's right here, and I like having this little tracker and a little to-do list. There's enough room to decorate, like not to decorate all crazy. I'm not a huge like sticker hoarder, so this works out fine for me. So I'm really digging this weekly, and this is the first week I've been in this weekly. That's what it looks like, not decorated. And I just put in my orders for City Girl Planners for my monthly. So I'm going to commit to doing their 12 monthly for next year, and their tabs. I mean, you just can't get better tabs than them, really. There really isn't. And also tab labels. in fact, too. Okay, so there's my daughter, and that's like kind of like a fall picture of her. They had like a fall background for her school. There's my dailies. This I need a little bookmarker with the pocket. These Post-its are so cute, and I have to like force myself to use them. They're so pretty. More of my dividers. So I find out like the more dividers, the merrier. So if you see here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I find like I need 10 dividers, you guys. Like there's no way around it. I have to have 10 dividers. This is also from the Planner Press box, and this is foiled, rose gold foiled butterflies. So if you haven't seen my tutorial on how to foil stuff, it's so easy. Don't get intimidated by it. Just run it through your laminator. It will work. Bookmarker. I have some my little projects list in here. Some blank paper for YouTube ideas. This is the little vision board that was included in the digital dash. And this is also from the digital dash. And I couldn't decide whether I wanted this to be in front or in the back. So I think I'm gonna flip-flop it around. And I love the colors in this setup, and I feel like it would go with a lot of different planners. So I think I am gonna kind of switch out this week. And go into my pumpkin spice rings, which I've not gone into yet. And just because the colors would go really well, and then I would put that in the front. So maybe I might actually do that now since I've been in this for 3 weeks. But I'm not really technically moving out of it because I'm not changing anything out of it. I'm just switching the rings, and then like on Friday, if I feel like, oh, I want to go back to my Rosewood, I'll just flip-flop right back into my Rosewood. So, if for those of you that are wondering, like, how do people switch out of planners so frequently? Like, they don't always change the insides. They just change the covers. So I think I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. I'm really excited to try these because I haven't tried these from Foxy Fix. I had this same setup in a personal wide, but it was just way too floppy. And it honestly wasn't for me, so I ended up selling it on the D-Stash site, and I got a really good price for it. So, and it even had my inscription in it, which was, you know, really odd that it would sell so fast. I thought that it would kind of like sit there for a while, but it really didn't. So I'm just going to go ahead and switch this out, and I'll just show you like how I reconfigure my dashboard here. All right, so I'm all switched out now. So same exact insides, and I just moved things around. I decided to put her in the front since I'm brunette now. And the colors work well with this too. So I'm really happy that I'm able to like switch around because all of the colors are all fallish. And I think I did most of the flip through. You saw the vision board, and this I moved to the back. But I still put some of like the Mickey Mouse stuff in here from the Planner Press. Like, isn't this adorable? I had to keep that in there. And I also decided to change out my pen. So I put another binder clip there for a pen. Oh, and I want to talk a little bit about this. This is my TWSBI, and I've been in love with brown ink. So as you saw in my weekly, I thought that I would have to have like an all brown layout for me to really love the brown ink, but it actually works pretty well. So, and this hasn't clogged on me, and I can switch the ink out very frequently. I don't have to finish the whole thing. So like last week I was in the sienna color, which was this one, and I was able to just drain this all out and put brown ink in it. So TWSBI Mini, and I haven't used this pen in like 2 years prior to, and it worked the second I put it to paper. So TWSBI Mini. Well, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Happy planning!